Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a Jamaican style Sunday dinner.
Hashtag, I'm a big deal. I'm a big deal. Very, very, very important.
Now I did start off with dry peas, so I just put them to cook. I had them soaked overnight and now I'll just cook them down with garlic, scallion, thyme, some crushed pimento, and then I cook these for about an hour and a half until they're relatively soft, so you know they're cooked. Now once they're cooked, I went in and I started to season up the pot. Now to do this, I'm going to add my coconut milk. I'm going to add some more scallion. I'm going to add some more thyme. I'm going to add ginger, scotch bonnet pepper, some more pimento, garlic, and I'm also going to add about a tablespoon and a half of my Maggi all-purpose seasoning. And I'm also going to go ahead and add a spoonful of butter. Once I've added this all to the pot, I'm just going to cover it now and just let it come to a boil. Now once it's come to a boil, I'm going to go ahead and add my washed rice. Now I'm using white basmati rice for this meal. Now once I've added the rice, I'm just going to cover it and let the water reduce a bit. Now once the water has reduced, I'm going to switch my stove off, cover it with foil and the lid. Now I'm going to do this in the oven, so please make sure you're using an oven proof dish. I'm going to put this in the oven on gas mark number 5 for about half an hour. Now after this time, your rice should be cooked. Now what I'm doing here, I'm just going to go ahead now and remove all the the ingredients, all the thyme and all the things there that I put in there, and then just give the rice a nice little fluff up and rice is ready. Now look at this rice, guys. Nice and shelly like me. Now onto the chicken. Now I did have this marinating in the fridge overnight. These are just some chicken quarters and some chicken drumsticks that I seasoned with some chicken seasoning to get the color. I did a little egg powder, garlic powder, and there I did use some all-purpose chopped onion, little thyme, little pepper, scallion. Left it in the fridge overnight. Now once I'm ready to fry, I took them out of the fridge for about half an hour before I'm ready to fry it. Now I'm going to go in with some seasoned flour. This is seasoned flour and cornstarch. I'm just going to go ahead now and start coating my chicken. When I'm frying my chicken, especially when I'm making a heavy meal, I do like to go light on the coating. Now literally just gonna fry these babies. I don't worry about the little blood you see I come out of the chicken. That's just when the hot oil hit the chicken, things have to go. If this sick your stomach, then you shouldn't be over here watching this video, because I chuck so the chicken stay. Just don't worry about it. You can literally scrape it off. Now if you've watched any of my chicken videos before, when I'm frying my chicken, I do like to go through and just pierce some holes through the chicken. I find that it just makes the chicken cook a little bit quicker, and the heat just goes all through it, and it just makes the chicken nice and juicy. Now I fry this chicken for about 15 minutes, turning occasionally. Now after this time, so the chicken nice and ready, like a Freddy. Ready. Now look at the beauty of this. I just want to sink my teeth in it, but baby, remember say it hot. Put it down for cook. Remember say it after share. Don't be greedy now. Now once your chicken has finished frying, just make sure you put it on a cooling rack, so that it's not sitting in the oil, and then the oil that's going to drain from it will just drain into the little napkin you see me up there, and just makes the job a lot easier. Look hardly no mess to clean up. Now when you're frying your chicken, what I do is after each batch I do like to go in and strain the oil, because you know a lot flour and residue and thing sit down in at the bottom of the pan or the pot, whatever you call it, and it will cause the chicken to burn, and we don't want that. I'm also gonna make some potato salad, or well, me call it potato salad. I don't know what you call it in your neck of the woods. So some diced potatoes in a pan with salted water. Gonna let this boil for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna add some mixed veg and let it cook until nice and tender. Now to make the salad, all I'm gonna literally do is add some finely chopped spring onions. I'm gonna go in with some cheese, some mayonnaise, a little paprika. You put what you want to put in there. This is just how I like my little thing. Nothing fancy, but just something nice, like a nice little side dish for your meal. Now once I finish making this, I'm just gonna cover it and leave it in the fridge whilst the rest of things are cooked. Because yes, this is a video. I didn't really do one, then I do the other. You do everything one time, but just for the video's sake, you just have to, it's called the editing thing. That's how you have to do your thing. So just literally place this in the fridge, because you want it nice and chilled, cool when you're gonna serve it. Now onto the salad. I'm just gonna use my little gadget something here and just finely chop my carrots and my cabbage. Give it a good little mix. Now I've gone in with some thinly sliced baby cucumber, red and orange bell peppers. Now I have this mixture here of olive oil, vinegar, a little bit of brown sugar, a little bit of black pepper. It's a nice little pickle for your veg. Just give your veg a nice little taste, or your salad, whatever you call it in your neck of the woods. Jamaicans, everything we say veg. We say veg. We make the veg pan a Sunday, but the foreign folks say it's a salad. So we're making a salad. And so guys, the food just ready. So it's just time to plate up. And we have to go and chop up the chicken nice and ready, and just nicely, if them want 2 spoonfuls of rice, 3 spoonfuls of rice, give them what they want, and just plate this up perfectly. We have to serve this up. The people them like oxtail, like a oxtail gravy with the fried chicken so we have to put like a oxtail gravy down so you can just enjoy it and just nice. Yes, I did cook some oxtail today. The video will come out for that soon, so yeah. Your girl did do her thing in the kitchen. So there you have it. My Jamaican style Sunday dinner, fried chicken, rice and peas, salad, potato salad, avocado pear, whatever you call it in your neck of the woods, like a oxtail gravy. Just a whole 2 pieces of the oxtail just dropping at the plate. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. As I always say, to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit and only you can limit yourself. Catch you in the next video. Bye.